morning guys. Blessed Saturday morning everyone. Let's join me guys. Tutor ko kayo dito sa pool garden. Pero under ano sila guys. Tagal ko na dito guys. Hindi man lang ako makagala dito. Pero gumagawa pa sila oh. Yan guys. Tutor ko kayo dito sa maluwang na garden nila. Ganda guys. Ang laki ng ano na to ng building. Tapos ang garden nila, ang luwang. Ayan. Ang luwang ng ano nila, pool. Ang sarap pala dito. Kaso nga lang, sobrang init dito pagka ano. Pero may ano sila dyan, oh. Parang clubhouse. Clubhouse nga, hindi parang. So this is the pool, the big pool. Wow, laki guys. Sarap naman. Yan. Kaso nga lang against the light tayo guys. Yan, linilinis nila yung pool. This is the pool. This is how they clean the pool. Ganda guys dito. Recreational area. Wow. Yun naman yung Alia Mansion. Yan yung Alia Mansion guys. Yan yung brown. Against the light. Against the sun kasi guys. Ang ganda. Maluwang itong pool nila. Yan. This is the pool. And this is the clubhouse. Inside. May mga gym din siguro sila dyan sa loob. May taas pa siya. Oh. Ganda guys. Amazing. Ngayon lang ako nakagala dito. I come here every Saturday. And it is nice. What had inside? I don't know. Hi.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Nice hair, huh? I come every day here, but I'm not coming here. And now I see nice. Very nice, guys. Try nga natin umupo, guys. Na-experience naman natin ang garden nila. Maganda, guys. Ay, akala ko ano to, mint. I thought it's mint. If it is mint, I will take some, but it's not. Oh, it's not a mint. They should put mint there. Yan guys, ang ganda. May isang pool pa doon, pang bata siguro. But gumagawa kasi sila. Ang ganda. Ang luwang ng building. Biruin mo yung building na yan guys, paikot yan. Mula doon hanggang dyan, ang laki. Hanggang doon sa dulo. Mayaman ang may-ari nito guys. Yan. So, let's try to sit while waiting our time for work. Upo muna tayo guys kasi malilim naman siya. Ang init nga lang dito guys pagka magpunta ka dito ng. So let's sit down guys for a while because my time of work is 9 o'clock, so it's still 8 o'clock. So, ayan guys. Thank you for watching. I hope nagustuhan ninyo ang view. Thank you so much. I love you all. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. To those who new on my channel, please help support my channel guys. Please support the poor lady. Bye guys. I love you all. Thank you so much. Bye! Blessed Saturday. Keep safe everyone.